Hi and welcome, Lisa here, introducing the Whimsy Stamps FaDoodle Holly 4x6 stamp set. Be sure to stick around. I have a few samples at the end of the video I want to share with you, but for now, let's get started with a closer look. Holly images in 4 sizes are included in this stamp set. The largest image is 2.5 inches wide by 2 inches high, and the smallest image is 5/8 of an inch wide by 3/4 of an inch high. You have 5 buildable sentiments in a large script font and those same sentiments repeated in a smaller type font. You can stamp the images and color with your favorite coloring medium, fussy cut, or run the images through your scan and cut to create a card using all the elements in the stamp set, or use the individual stamped images to add an extra special touch to cards, tags, scrapbook layouts, and more. Now for my first sample, I share how I created my Christmas card using just the FaDoodle Holly stamp set. And my second sample shows how I paired the FaDoodle Holly with Whimsy Stamps bendy borders and slimline envelope edger dies to create a unique, clean, and simple holiday card. Let me know what you think of the FaDoodle Holly 4x6 clear stamp sets in the comments below. And for more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. We would love to have you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest, where you'll find more inspiration. Until next time, please take care.